Hey everyone, I'm Tom Ballard, the Groundwater Guy, and today we're talking about one of the most important tools for any small water utility, the Capital Improvement Plan, or CIP. This plan helps you prioritize essential projects to keep your system reliable, safe, and efficient. Let's walk through a few simple steps to develop a CIP that works for your small utility. First, identify your assets and their current condition. This includes everything from pipes and pumps to meters and treatment facilities. Knowing what you have and understanding its condition allows you to assess which assets need attention sooner rather than later. Next, prioritize projects based on urgency. Think in terms of risk and criticality. Which assets are critical to your system's operations, and what are the potential consequences if they fail? High priority items should go to the top of your CIP. Then we look at cost estimates and budgeting. Even small projects add up, so it's crucial to get accurate cost estimates for each. Factor in both initial costs and long-term maintenance expenses. Remember, a CIP is a planning tool, so look at costs over a 5 to 10 year period to help spread out the expenses. Consider your funding sources. Small utilities can access various funding options such as state or federal grants, low-interest loans, and local revenue. Having a mix of funding sources can make your plan more financially feasible and allow you to tackle higher priority projects sooner. Finally, map out your projects over a 5-year timeline. Breaking down your CIP into phases lets you address urgent needs first while planning for long-term improvement. It also makes it easier to adjust your plan if funding changes or if unexpected priorities arise. To recap, number 1, identify and assess your assets. Number 2, prioritize projects by risk and criticality. Number 3, estimate costs and budget over the long term. 4, identify potential funding sources. 5, map out a phased 5-year plan. With these steps, you'll have a CIP that keeps your utility on track for the future. For more guidance on managing your water utility, visit sehydrogeology.com for resources, tools, and additional tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.